Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Instagram Reels video. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you're looking to download Instagram Reels videos, this video is for you. Whether you want to save a video for later or share it with someone who doesn't have Instagram, downloading Instagram Reels is easy. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end. Follow the steps and you'll be able to download any Instagram Reels in no time. First of all, open up the Instagram app and then find the Instagram Reel that you want to download. Once you find it, tap on this arrow at the bottom right of the screen and then tap copy link. So now you have successfully copied the link of this Instagram Reel. What you want to do next is exit the Instagram app and open up any web browser that you like. Type in Instagram Reels download and search for saveinsta.app. Click on it. Once you are on the site, paste the link and click download. You can see it is retrieving data. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Scroll down and tap on the download button. And now that Instagram Reel video will download to your device gallery. So the download has been completed. Let's go over to the upper left to check the downloaded reel. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.